Hey guys, I'm just trying to make a YouTube video, because my friend Antonio actually banned me from making YouTube videos. Well, he's not really my friend, but whatever. I'm just trying this, so I just made this. I'm not going. Well, I can't tell you the ingredients, except one of them I don't even know what the ingredients are. I just made it and then I added it, and look, so. Here's baby blue, because it's a little blue. It's like really big. It's like 12 ounces maybe. I don't know. So yeah, that's one. Like, I can only make 1 minute videos. And yeah. This one's really good. I just made it. So good and stretchy. Yeah, so I just made it. It's really good. And like, look at this. If you want, you could buy this for like $6. This is really $7. I mean $6, but you have to give me a tip because it might come with extras. So that's how it goes. Yeah, okay. You get a container. Like, I could use this one, but that's the one that I make everything. So, I'll just put in. I actually have another one. They might have names on it. That's why I don't like putting their names on it. If it's perfect. Because if you get rid of that slime, then it'll be good. And I also made this, 7-ounce slime. This is the first one that I made. It's a little bit jiggly. It's pretty stretchy. It's pokey. It's milk. See, that is like only because like it's really white and it's like really. I could actually bring all my family and be like, do you want some milk? And you could just drink it. What if it was bigger? I don't know, a little bit blue. So, soon I'm going to be able to go buy this. So, it's been 3 minutes. I'm still on. I'm just trying to make a slime swirl. It's not working very well. You guys will probably see this tomorrow. Oh my god, that's a really good swirl. Instagram slime swirl. Instagram.
Right.
Let's do it. You have to make it like a professional slime. Slime swirl's really good. Yes, I love it. Instagram slime swirl is a fail right now. I haven't done a slime swirl forever.
Well, look what happened with me and Sandy. Well, I know it's coming up late. And then what is it was all her requirements.
So what I'm going to
You
do,
know, when you get a text and you reply. Well, those are the ones that didn't come through, they came up late. But the ones where she actually typed to me, those came in.
so yeah, this one's
So-
really good.
You know?
My grandma hates
I
slime.
don't know.
Really. Yeah, that was terrible. But that's
You know.
so
So
this is
anyway,
actually really
Lucille got
good.
her nails done again.
A day or
Got her braces. She said she feel
again.
They said that when the next thing she's to wear them, and that helps to hold the knee open so that the gel can get in there better. You know, it opens the kneecap.
Yeah, it's really good.
And then the gel can get in there where there's no, nothing there. Paige, is this slime over here?
What?
How is this flying all over the place? Look at here. It's when you slap it down.
Oh, okay, I won't do that.
So anyway, I was just watching the rally in India.
Okay, sorry guys, I just had to make a
nuts.
piece of slime and I was making it. Oh,
They created 3.3 million jobs.
okay. I love this. I could add color,
3.3
but
million, and you really can't get one.
so look. This is really good.
Well, also she has
Instagram
no car.
farm swirl.
She has no money.
I'll try to get one. I might add something in here. I don't know what, but. I would make another one. My grandma didn't know that I made them, so I just hope she doesn't look out on my YouTube channel. That would be bad. Right now she's in the bathroom, that's why I'm talking about it. I don't know if she's going to be long, so I'm going to try to make another one in front of you guys. Oh, it's still been 6 minutes and I haven't got kicked off. Oh, this one's actually really good. Where is it? There it is. Instagram. Farm swirl. Okay, there it is. So I'm setting up Lively, like go live. I mean, it's going to take 24 hours, so I won't be able to go live. And I said you could, when you're done with this, you could go live instantly. So like, you could probably pause videos and go live again. I don't know. I don't have a YouTube channel on my phone. That's the weird part. It can rip, but it's more like buttery. I think I'm going to make this butter slime, but butter slime spreads better. I'm just going to call this. Wait, how's it fluffy if I didn't add any shaving cream? Maybe it's not fluffy. Maybe it's just regular slime. But, it looks. This is just the perfect size for this container. Okay, I'm going to do like 1-year-old slime versus a minute. Or maybe 2 minutes. Come on, get in there. You can go down. So like, day versus year. A couple of days old. I only got like 1 year old. Okay. These aren't like slimes anymore. Okay. Let's start off with the 1-year-old slime removal. Like 1 year or maybe a little bit less. Probably not a full year. But here's that. Just me. I have no idea. So this one's like Play-Doh. But I tried to make it into slime. It didn't work out. See? It's just Play-Doh. Ew, it's on my hands. Play-Doh's terrible. Okay. No. It's like another one that I need a Play-Doh and everything. I don't want to take it out, but You have to do it for fans. Ding, ding, ding. If you guys subscribe to my channel and like my videos, I'll give you a shout out too. This is actually really cool. It's good. I haven't played with that in forever. This is like a putty. So I can open it. You might not even love it. This one's really good. I keep my slimes in. This is like a slime smoothie, but it's still really pretty and good. Doesn't poke very well. It's stretchy. See, this one's for sale. It's really good. And you can make really good crunches. It's like crunchy. It's really good for making slime fills. It's a little bit hard. I'm gonna have to get rid of a lot of my slimes. I like my slimes. No. They look like about 1 day old. Actually, I have a lot of these. Okay. Let's just start off with this one since I really just made it. And I can close the container. Yay. So, a little bit. Didn't stretch the best. Does not fit me. That well.
Alright, Paige, don't you put that away. It's after 8 o'clock. You're going to have to go to bed at 9. Why don't we play a game of sequence or something?
And
You've had enough of that. You don't accomplish anything with that. Do you
it's a
understand?
hand workout.
Nothing gets better with that.
Stop, Grandma. It's on YouTube. Okay. I can't finish all of these, but this one's jiggly. I could just clip it a little bit. Okay, it's actually really good.
Oh, excuse me. I got agita.
Okay, I have no idea what this one's.
I'll give it to you, okay?
Nope.
No. I'll let you share.
No, I don't really like it when you okay, okay. So sticky. This is like a gallon. I'm just going to call it a gallon of glue because this is big. This isn't even 12 ounces. This is like a quarter. How big is a quarter? Okay.
Okay. These shoes have to go upstairs along with the socks, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Get your tongue in.
Mm-hmm.
Paige,
Mm-hmm.
get your tongue in.
Mm-hmm. This one is really stretchy. This one is not for sale. I'm sorry. If you wanted it. And we'll see if I can post this video. If I can't, I feel bad for you. I mean, it's ASMR. Fine. I'm going to change my channel. It's the best one in the world.
If I have to wear a bathing suit the whole trip, I'll wear my bathing suit.
It's like huge. I can't put it. It's not that heavy. Light, but it's much slime. This much. I mean, it's dirty. It's baby blue. It's very clicky. It's stretch
That's good.
is really good.
Okay, bye-bye.
I never want this to get stolen. I swear if this one gets stolen, I'm going to... Sad. I can't even make a sign spell. It's so big. I'm supposed to feel sticky. I'm going to add a little bit of... No, this isn't like that. Oh, I don't know. What? Oh, because of what I... My thing. I have a thing there. This is something to help my slime that I made. I made my things in Nord, his kit, and I did not make this out of the Nord kit. I wish I showed you when I made it. Actually, for the fact that I want to tell, I'm just going to sprinkle some more. Should I dye it? And it looks like it becomes really sandy. No, it is not sand. You guys can guess what it is. I'll tell you how I made it. Those are my slides. Oh, it's tough. No. Water helps. Special ingredient. And I might not even know that. I might be lying. Who knows? Okay, just hope this works. It's a little bit below. What, 100 this year? If we die. Sometimes I hate using food dye, but sometimes I just really want to. So I'll use it. It's getting better. No. No. Maybe the slime is for some. Or can I save it? I can save it. Never have too much for that. Get it. Save this slime. It's huge. I can save huge slimes. Actually. Would you rather have one big slime? Or would you rather have a lot of little ones? I'd rather have one big one. Only because then I could always separate it and just be like, wow. I wish I had one that could fit my whole entire pool. It's getting softer. Yeah. I need more water. I make most of this myself, except for glue. Glue. Just bricks. No. Maybe making slime my way is fair. Well, it's not. It's actually really good. First slime that you make is usually the worst or the best because you have no idea what you're doing, but it would be good for that because like, you have no idea what you're doing. If you have to try to make it perfect, it just becomes it. My first slime was amazing. that I gave it away. I made a purple and blue one. And an orange. Except the purple and blue one were like my very first ones. Purple one was amazing. The blue one was real good. I also made better ones at Christmas. Whatever. I know this video's long, but it's just like talking about how to make it. Like, it's relaxing. So, I hope Antonio unbanned me. I doubt he did. But I'm sorry if I haven't been posting. It's just because I got banned. I've been busy, not, like, I haven't really been busy, but, like, I don't know if my family and stuff, and I've also been banned from YouTube. So let's just see if I can post this. I don't know if I can, but I really want to fix this. I hope it gets fixed. It's working a little bit. Lotion. What if I just add a whole new somewhere? Helping me. Yeah, this was sick. Okay. Actually, I want to back to normal. How did I do that? But you have no idea how much I missed YouTube. I used to make it with my brother, but now I can't see my brother. So, yeah. So I got in trouble there. It's like, sort of got banned for that. No, I did not. Not really, no. I'm saying stupid things right now. My friend Bella just said it's a penis. I'm like, what? She didn't send me a picture though. I don't understand. No. I don't know. It's sort of working, I guess. Picture would help this. And now there's avocado. You only give us different how to do it. It's an edit. It's an edit. I tried to make Play-Doh slime and it did not work. Like ASMR, just sit back, relax, like, dislike, whatever. This, if you guys subscribe to me, I'll subscribe to you. You'll get an email or something that I subscribed. It gives me emails being like, this person subscribed, like, just say, the Savage Boy Lambo subscribed, Lambo Savage subscribed. Maybe the Avocado subscribed. Rebecca Zamlo, I doubt she'll subscribe to me, but whatever. But like anybody, I would subscribe back. I think right now I'm at 10 subscribers now. No, right now I don't care. Like, I like to get to 100 subscribers, but I'm not even close, so whatever. So I'm going to stop this video to see if I get banned, so I'll tell you guys tomorrow. Bye!